So what is the CSS? See, suppose this is our object, new file. So it has a color. Can you see my screen?
Sir.
Okay. So CSS is basically cascading style sheet. If you see this might be a button or anything, any object. You can see new name. So this is blue in color. This is blue in color. It has some fonts. So developer creates a CSS and it assigns a name to it. It assigns a name to it. Okay. So let's check it out. Suppose let's go to a site, say, hmm, let's go. Okay. If you right click over here, inspect it, you can see as we selected X path, we need to select CSS. So I take copy selector. Go to notepad. I will show you. So see, it is having its name as hash username. In the same way, if I take for password, inspect it, copy selector. If I go over here, it is showing password. Okay, let's check about login button. Copy selector. If I go over here, it's showing login. Okay, so I got these for the CSS. So this is as we have seen yesterday, IDs, placeholders. In the same way, we have this thing that is known as CSS. Now, let me create a program. Okay, so let's create for CSS select. Fine. I take the same thing. Okay, CSS. Fine. So now let's start taking the locators. Await. So I'm directly using this locator username and putting the value standard user. Await page dot locator. See, just give this username in single place and just fill standard underscore. For password also I'm doing the same. Locator. What was that? Password. Okay. Let's give a timeout. Let's click on login button. Guys, hope you are practicing because this week we have done a lot of things. Don't depend on recording. If anyone depending on recording, then no use. Locator. Okay, I click on login button also. Give a timeout and I will verify if we log in that URL has this thing. Okay. Let's run it out. Cheat wait, enter it, click on login, verify. So this is how CSS director actually works. I will show, just write it down. Okay, guys. Now I will be showing everything in the big programs. Okay, right now. Okay, guys, done. Let's move further. Okay. Now, if I am giving the recording, you have to write yourself. Okay, I will not copy paste there. Fine, because copy paste will make things easy for you. Second thing, do more practice of related programs, different sites. Now, suppose if I go, if any error comes, so if I go a site, Redif, okay, I go to syntax page, okay, I want to take image of this page. I want to take image of this page. I want to take image, screenshot of this page. How can I take? Okay, so let's take. So see, I will be using screenshots whenever any test case fails. Whenever any of our test case fails, we will be taking screenshots. So let's see screenshot. Okay, I am taking the code as it is. Okay, we will be taking the screenshot. I am going to this side. Uh, Fine. Well, I am not writing these things again and again. It will take your time, our time, my time. But you have to write because you have to practice. Okay. So go on this page. Now, now I want to take the screenshot. Suppose I want to take the screenshot and create a folder over here. Okay. So if I go to mhm, you go on test, is there any option? Okay. So if I go to C drive, fine. So where is our folder? This is our folder actually. Test is 8 a.m. playwright. Okay. So let's see 8 a.m. playwright is there. Test is there. Okay. I want to create a folder over here, screenshot. And here I want to save my screenshot. It's simple. Simple. You are here. Go here. Give const. It's full path. It's full path. Give a full path. Const. I am taking a variable. Okay. Remember, in Java, in TypeScript, path always comes in the row. Now I want to be in screenshot folder. And I give the page as sample.jp. Now I will be taking the screenshot. So I will be taking the screenshot. So go await page a dot see there is a function screenshot. Give the path where we have to save it. Path is full path and the format that is type. We have to save it. So we have to save it in JPEG. Okay. Let's save it. Save it. Okay, let's run it. Let's see, take the screenshot of that page or not. Okay. So if I go over here, give here, screen. See, it runs the page. It's taking time, guys. See, it is working. It passed. Let's see, it creates a folder screenshot over here. So you can see a folder is created screenshot. Okay. Let's go inside it. You can see a sample.jp is there. If I click on it, it takes. Okay, guys. Any issues? Create this program. I have given 5 6 minutes to you.
Abhinav, Anup here. One question, Abhinav. So can we take a screenshot of one specific image? Like we can take the locator of that and save that image to our folder, correct?
You can go. You can scroll according to locators.
Locators, correct? Okay.
Yes. I will.
What?
Hmm.
Yeah. I just want to
Yes,
know
yes.
what would be the method for that. So,
Okay. Don't worry. Next question that next program I will tell you that.
okay. Yeah.
Okay. We
So
will go. Mm-hmm.
another question to that, right? So we see some of the images are like dynamic, right? It keeps changing.
Hmm.
So how would we handle that one?
See, images are changing. That is different thing. Okay. You have to verify their path only.
Okay.
Okay. Path name. Whether it is fixed. See, you cannot verify the image to image comparison. Okay. You can
Okay.
verify their path.
Okay.
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 Because the file name will change.
Okay. Yeah. Got it.
Okay. 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 And your questions, first question will be answered in next program. Okay. Write down this program.
Perfect.
Okay. So now let me do something related to scrolling. So suppose I go over here. I go to Wiki. Search here India. Fine. Or from India. Fine. So I want to do scrolling. Okay. And as Anup asked a question, I think Anup only or who asked the question, I will go to this point, government and politics, and I will take an image. Okay. So let's do the scrolling. So see, scroll bar. This is a scroll bar. So we have a class known as mouse. So I will show you. So let's go here. Scrolling. Okay. Let's copy this. Now suppose, remember, this is a 0, 0 coordinate. This is a 0, 0 coordinate. If you take down, so see, x is same, just y is increasing. X is this thing, fine. Y is increasing. So I want to go down. Okay, I want to go down. So here what I can do, go here, await, page a dot mouse dot v 0, comma, and let's wait for 2 seconds. Is it working fine or not? Let's check it out. It launched. First 3 seconds it will wait. Now see, it is scrolled. It is scrolled by 1500 coordinates. It might be anything. Now let me take it up again. Now let's take it up again. So it will be minus 500. I will take again up. That will be minus 500. Let's run it. It took me down. It took me up. Okay. Now I want to go to a particular place, say government and politics. I want. Inspect it. You can see ID. Remember, we used hash for ID. So let's take out the locator for it. Okay, let's take out the locator. So go over here, give const element page locator state government and student. So I need to go on that element away element dot scroll if needed. So this is the function which will scroll it. Let's wait for 2 seconds. Let's take the image. He was asking about the image. So I will take, we already have the full, let's make it a full part. I'm copying this code, same code. Okay. And I will say name as wiki image. Okay. Wiki. Okay. Let's wait for 2 seconds. Save it and let's run it. Okay, it will go down. It will go up. It will go to that Naruji's image. It should take an image. And now see a screenshot, a wiki image is created. It is scrolled down everywhere. Answer. Did you get the answer? Hello. Okay, write it down. We'll do one more program. Now we'll do four programs for you. We will do one more for you. Okay, guys. Next thing I want to show you. So if I go ahead, let's go to our Reddit. Okay. If I go over here, sign in page one. Okay. Click over here. You will see a okay alert word dialog box comes. You can see a dialog one comes. So see, remember to handle these dialog box, we need to use listeners. What we need to use? We need to use listeners. So we need to create a small listener to handle these dialog. To click OK button, we use accept. To click cancel button, we use decline. Okay. To use OK button, we use accept, and to use cancel button, we use decline. So here I go. Here I create a program. Say alert. Okay. This is the page I am getting. Now I want to create that listener. So how we create page A dot on. What you have to do on page A, if there is any dialog box. Okay. So wait for it. So async, wait for that dialog. Okay. And we can create a arrow function. What you have to do after waiting on that dialog, just click on it. Accept. Accept means click OK. So I can give await dialog dot accept. Just a small listener function we have created. And now let me click on the sign in button. So I go here, respect. So see, this is the signing. Now see, I am telling you the one more locator. I am telling you about one more locator, that is class. So you can see there is a locator class. Okay. So you can take it, its sign in button, copy it. So hash was used for ID, and for class we use dot. So go over here, give await page dot click give dot sign, and let's wait for 5 seconds. Await page dot wait for timeout. 2 seconds. That will give a wait over here also. You will then able to see it. If I give wait over here also, you will able to see it. Let's save it and let's run it. That's it. See, it is loading, it is taking time. See, it came, it went. If there is a cancel button in any find a dialog website which has a dialog with cancel button, click on cancel. Cancel we use decline. Here we using accept. There we use decline. Okay, guys. Any question? Anyone else? I'm stopping the recording. These are the four programs I'm completing today because next will be different topics. So write down this.